Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. So in previous video I just talk about introduction about how to start USMLE and which resources you need. So in this video I will talk more about how to use UWORLD more efficiently. So you can use it as a learning tool, you can use it as a practice tool, and it can also be used as a assessment tool. So most people ask that should we do UWORD online or offline? My recommendation will be that we should do UWORD online. Why? Because online you will give you the environment of a real exam, the real exam day, that you see same things, the timers and all the environment be exactly same as your real exam. And other thing that in your subscription you can make flashcards that can be reviewed later when you need them. You can sometime make notes that are more accessible as in from offline. So this was the things about the UWORD, and in UWORD I will recommend that we should make flashcards that are really important for me at least, because there are many things that are need to be reviewed and reviewed again. In this case the flashcards helps a lot. In my opinion, the better way to study from UWORD is that first you take a subject or a chapter from first ed. You go through it, make concepts, and do memorization where needed. After completing that chapter or unit, then you do the same unit in the UWORD, and then you will see that how your understanding is, which areas are weak and which areas you have to give more focus on. And more thing that in your subscription you will get two your self assessment forms, uh, assessment form 1 and 2. These are really good tools to assess your preparation and readiness about to take exam. So for today, these were the things about UWORD, and thanks you so much. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. And do comment that on which topic or which area you want me to talk about, and you need my guidance. Thanks you so much. See you soon.